What if you're driving down the highway and a deer jumps out and you slam on the brakes to miss the deer, but a car rams in back of you, or vice versa? Would you be at fault? So I'm going to break this down into little pieces. I'm going to caveat it in the sense of this is Oregon, so I'm not doing an analysis under every series of laws that exist in the world. If factually your circumstance is deer jumps out and there's nothing in the world that you can do to avoid this collision, no turning left, no turning right, every avenue of retreat is blocked, and you have to slam on the brakes in order to be able to avoid hitting the deer, and you successfully avoid hitting the deer because you come to a very fast stop, you are probably not at fault because the other person is probably following you too closely, because they should also be able to slam on their brakes and come to a complete stop in the same distance that you are able to slam on your brakes and come to a complete stop. If you have other options that are available to avoid, like the deer jumps out and you're not paying attention and so you don't see the deer till the last second, you might be at fault for that because you should have seen the deer sooner. Definitely fact-specific inquiries in each and every one of these. An interesting wrinkle, which I'll try to do this, or vice versa. If you ram the back of another car, are you at fault, is the way that I'm going to take that question on the or vice versa. And I would say, again, it depends if you're truly paying attention, driving at a reasonable speed, and there's no other option you have but to crash in that deer. The safest thing you can do is to slam on the brake. And if somebody crashes into the back of you, they're probably following too closely. They should have left enough distance where they could come to a complete stop in the same distance you could come to a complete stop. I hope that's helpful. Interesting audience question. I don't know how we get audience questions, but we got an audience question, so I hope that was helpful. Till next time.